Hey everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great week. All right, let's go over the markets. Last day of the week for us, Thursday. All right. Um, we had another good day in the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we finished. All right. So if you guys look here, right, continued buying in the NASDAQ right here, right? Breaking resistance here on the NASDAQ green candle. Very good. We could get a buy signal on the NASDAQ very shortly. All right. Hey, Dean. Welcome, Dean. Hey, Solomon. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome. With the S&P, right? We have green candles, guys. Green candles, breaking resistance on the S&P. That's very good news. On the NASDAQ, right, we've got white candles. All right, we are breaking through that resistance right here. Here is resistance here, white candles right here. So it's really good. All right. And on the Russell, still have red candles. All right, but if the buying continues, we could see movement up, held support down here and moving up nicely. Okay, so market's looking better. We're at 1902, so continue to move lower on the VIX. All right, so below 20, we'll take that. Okay, we'll take that. All right. Sectors are doing better, right? We still have, let's see, 5 sectors that are moving higher. So we'll take a look at stocks, all right? In Stock Boss and Bullmaster, all right? All right. All right. I want to go here, US 30, all right? Hey, Desheld, welcome. Hey, Betty, welcome, welcome. Dean, are you still holding? Are you still holding, buddy? Are you still holding US 30? Hey, Dean, let me know if you're holding US 30. Okay, let me know if you're still holding US 30. Looks good. Pullback today, had a bit of a pullback, right? Held, and now it's moving up nicely. Okay, looking to test resistance here. Right here, all right? Looking to test resistance here, right? What we need to have happen is buyers to come in. We are now above, we're within support and resistance here. So we're back in the box, all right? White candles. We should get some green candles and perhaps test resistance. This could be a really good move, all right, for the US 30, right? Buy signal was here, guys, all the way down here. All right, buy signal was here, and now we're looking to test resistance. So good move, right, in the US 30. Okay. All right. The Dow, right? Big picture, guys. Big picture macro on the Dow, all right, on the weekly time frame, right? We're looking to get, right, price is still being squeezed right here, all right? Got a white candle, so we'll look to break through. That's the goal. We want to break through this triangle right here, right? Won't happen this week, right? But if we get continued buying, certainly could happen next week and perhaps next month. All right, so good price action. Hey, Gerald, welcome. All right, good price action on the Dow. That's exactly what we want to see. Continue up the markup phase upward trend, and we want to break through and perhaps test the highs up here. We're a long way from that, all right, but certainly we'll keep an eye on it. The dollar keeps coming lower, guys. So you guys know we are shorting the dollar pairs, right? In Forex, all right, so red candle here. Look at this. All right, we got good support coming back down at 100. All right, and here we are right now, and the dollar looks good to come back lower. If we can break support, right, then we'll look for the dollar to get back down in this area here. All right, just like it did here. All right, so pretty good resistance here, pretty good support here. All right, so that move has failed. All right. And buy signal was here, sell signal was here on the weekly, but sellers are coming in. Gold is holding, right? Gold is holding. And pound yen, guys, pound yen. Look at this nice big candle, right? You guys have been seeing really good moves in the yen pairs. All right. We're starting to see movement come back into Forex. And that's why, right? Big move in pound yen, big candle here. All right. Nice channel here, but we need to break out of this channel. All right. So big candle. I don't think it will happen this week, right? We have one more day tomorrow. So perhaps next week, right, we can finally break through and really start to see not only the yen pairs move higher, but also increase volatility in Forex. Okay, let's take a look at the trades that we're in. And we have a lot of trades going, guys. A lot of trades going, especially in Monster Scalper. So let's take a look at the trades that we're currently in. And as we go through these trades, right, the goal is follow your systems and follow the same format that we use in taking our trades, entering and exiting the trades. Okay, so that's why we do this. Okay, so that you're constantly on the right side of the markets. And what we want to do is we want to cut our losses, cut our losing trades quickly, and then stay in our winning trades. That's the goal, right? All right, so let's go through these trades. So currently, these are trades that we should be in, right? We should be in. You don't have to trade every single pair, all right? You can pick a few, but these are the trades. If you're not trading these pairs, you're doing something wrong, all right? All right, so Euro Aussie, right? Euro Aussie, we're still long. Buy signal is here. A bit of a pullback, all right? But still holding, right? Purple support and resistance here, but it's fine so far. Euro New Zealand buy signal is here, still holding, all green candles, right? Still in the markup phase. EUR SEK buy signal is here on the break of this resistance, all right? Price is holding all the way up here. We needed to continue to hold green candles. We needed to break through the high right here. All right, so nothing to do in the markup phase. Hopefully we can get another trade like this right here. All right, so buy signal here, holding nicely. EUR SEK. All right, EUR SGD, buy signal is here, and the euro pairs are moving. Buy signal is here. It's a high buy signal, but that's fine. All right, buy signal is here and holding nicely. All right. EURTRY. EURTRY. Buy signal is here. Pull back. Green candles. It's moving through the markup phase. All right. Nothing to do. Just hold on. Euro dollar. Euro dollar. Buy signal is here. Right. We had a red candle. We got out and then we got back in. Somewhere in this area here. We got back in. So we should be in this trade. Euro dollar. I know some of you are trading it on the 60-minute time frame. Just stay with the trade. All right. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. Buy signal is here. All right. So use your systems, guys. This is Monster Scalper. Buy signal here. Green candles. Nothing to do. Purple support and resistance. All right. If you get a red candle, get out, but nothing to do yet. It's following that markup phase nicely. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand. Same thing. Buy signal here. All right. and green candles, nothing to do. All right. Pound Singapore, SGD, buy signal here. All right. Buy signal here. This is a new buy signal that came in today that we call. All right. Buy signal came in right at the break of resistance, guys. All right. Stop me if you guys have any questions. Put it in the chat or just shout it out. All right. Buy signal here. Here was the previous buy signal that failed. So far, this one is working out, right, on a break of resistance right here. All right. If you guys look here, nice upward trend line. All right. So if you look here, it's a nice upward trend line. All right. Price was squeezed, and guess what? Now it's breaking out to the upside. All right. I know it's high in the chart, but that's fine. We could get another trade out of that. All right. All right. Let's go to the yen pairs. And you guys should be all over the yen pairs, right? We should be all over the yen pairs. All right. We started trading these. When was it? Yesterday, right? So good price action on the yen pair. So if you're not in the yen pairs, guys, you want to look for opportunities to trade the yen pairs. All right. All right. Aussie yen, right here. Nice markdown phase, guys, right? You guys always talk about David. We don't have any really nice markdown phases in Forex. Well, here is one here. Really good markdown phase, right? All the selling was done. Nice accumulation phase. Buy signal, green candles. Guess what? It's moving higher, right? So we should be in this trade. Aussie yen. All right, next one. CAD yen, right? Nice markdown phase. Buy signal was right here. Green candles came in, right? Buyers came in. Buy signal is right here. This is moving nicely up, right? CAD yen. All right. We've got some resistance up in this area here. No, don't focus on this yet. Still early, right? We don't have any support and resistance lines yet. Okay, guys. All right. Just pay attention, right, to this area here. Right? We know we've got some resistance in this area here. All right. Some consolidation in here. All right. But we're a long way from that area. All right. So just hold on to the trade. All right. No support and resistance lines yet. So just let it go. All right. Don't mess up the trade. All right. So that's CAD yen. Swiss yen. All right. Buy signal is here. All right. And here it is moving nicely right here. So great trades going with the yen pairs. That's Swiss yen. Euro yen. Buy signal is here. It's moving higher. We've got some resistance right here. All right. Got some resistance right here. So if it can get through that resistance right here, and it's not too far from resistance here, that's Euro yen, we could see price move much higher. All right, that's Euro yen, Euro JPY. Okay, so we have lots of opportunities, guys. Pound yen, same thing. Buy signal here. All right, really good price action with pound yen. You guys know pound yen is usually very volatile. All right, so this is nice, smooth price action with pound yen. We have resistance right here. Resistance right here. It's getting past that resistance. So that's really, really good for pound yen. All right. So we could see pound yen really move higher. Okay. New Zealand yen. Lots of opportunities, guys. New Zealand yen. All right. So we need traders. You guys need to be in these trades. We don't know how long this move will last, but they're definitely moving. All right. So New Zealand yen. Buy signal here. Nice markdown phase. Right, price is moving higher. Look at these candles right here, guys. Right, really nice big candles. Okay, all right, early in the markup phase. All right, too late to get in though. Too late to get in. All right. SGD JPY. Buy signal is right here. Break of this resistance here. Buy signal is right here on this candle. Right, nice price action. All green candles. Right, in the markup phase. SGD, JPY, And ZAR Yen. ZAR Yen, I think, is perhaps the best performer right now. All right. So ZAR Yen, buy signal right here. All right. Buy signal right here. Moving up nicely. All right. Straight up. No support and resistance lines yet on this move. So just wait. All right. Don't do anything. If you're in it, let it run. We do have, right, you have some resistance right here and then some resistance. So price could slow down, right? And then you have some resistance right here. So price could slow down, right, in this area here, but let it do its thing. Just let it run, all right, in Monster Scalper, all right? And that's ZAR Yen, ZAR Yen, all right? Okay. All right. Any questions on these? Any questions on these? Okay, let's go through the shorts. All right, let's go through the shorts. And we're still in Monster Scalper. All right, shorts in Monster Scalper. All right, so you guys know we are shorting the dollar pairs, right? The dollar pairs, all right, in Monster Scalper. So dollar CAD, we're in this trade, guys. Great short trade, right? Sell short on a break of support right here. Sell short signal right here. It's all the way down here. Great trade going, right? Great short going with dollar CAD, right? Dollar CAD, dollar NOK. Sell short signal here, still working its way down. Okay, that's USD NOK, USD NOK, USD PLN. We've been waiting for this, right? So we got lots of selling came in today. Sell short signal was here, right? So if you guys look here, sell short signal was here. We're all the way down here. We've got some support down here. We need to break through that support, break through that low. But good trade. We really needed sellers to come back in a big way, and they did that today. Two big candles, forward time frames, guys. The forward time frames really came in to push that price lower. All right, so that's very good. Dollar ZAR also did really well today. So you guys should be in these trades, okay? Our Forex traders, our Monster Scalper traders should be in these trades, all right? Either long or short, all right? So dollar ZAR, sell short signal is here. We've been waiting for a break, all right, of support. Support is right here. We had some pullback right here. We got a big break today, all right? Dollar ZAR. EURSEK also break lower. All right, sell short signal here. All right, broke through support and moving lower. All right, EURCZK, and EURNOK. We should be out of that trade. All right, we got green candles came in on this short. All right. So we have a buy to cover, so we should be out of this trade. EURNOK, we'll remove it. All right. So we should, if anyone is in it, we want to be out of that trade. EURNOK. Close that trade if you're in it. All right. All right. So let's go to Forex Dominator. Forex Dominator. All right. Forex Dominator. All right. So you guys know Monster Scalper that we trade on the 240, Forex Dominator, we trade on the daily time frame. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at the longs. The longs in Forex Dominator. Euro CAD buy signal is here, still holding. All right. We could get buyers to come back in, still holding all green candles. Okay. EURSGD. Okay. Buy signal is here. Got some buying came in today. looking to break through this resistance. We could get some big candles, big buyers to come in shortly. Okay, so just hold on to that. EURTRY, we are breaking. I know we're breaking through that resistance slowly. Here is resistance right here. This line right here. Buy signal is right here, but just let it do its thing. The TRY pairs, the Turkish pairs, when they move, guys, they will move. All right, they will move. All right, and they'll move for a long time. They'll trend for a long time. Look at the previous trade here. All right, so and they'll move longer than this. So breaking out of resistance, out of the high right here. Green candles, nothing to do. It's in the markup phase. Pound CAD, buy signal is here. Keep an eye on pound CAD. I think we got a sell signal on sell on the 240. So keep an eye on it. Nothing to do here though in Forex Dominator. So just keep an eye on it. Hold on to it. GBP HKD. This is a new one we got today, guys. Buy signal here. All right. In Forex Dominator. If you're trading Forex Dominator, this would be a good one to get. Clean buy signal on a nice break of resistance right here. All right. And GBP SGD. All right. We've been in this one here, right? Waiting for it to break through resistance. Buy signal was here, right? Retraced, held support. All right. We have a lot of trades, guys. Held support, and now it's breaking resistance. So we'll expect this one to move higher, hopefully, right? And that's GBP SGD. All right. Lots of opportunities. So let's go over the shorts. These were the longs. Lots of opportunities, lots of trades in Forex. So here are the shorts. These are the shorts. In Forex Dominator. Okay. And we added USD CZK. That's it right here. All right. So if you guys, those of you trading Forex Dominator, this is an opportunity here. Here was the previous short, really good short. There's no guarantee that this short here, right, will have the same type of trading, but it could happen, right? Breaking support here, breaking support, red candle broke support, clearly broke support here. All right, sell short signal. So we've added this trade. All right, but let's go through the rest of them. Aussie CAD, sell short signal here. All right, price is moving down nicely in the markdown phase. Okay, it's Aussie CAD, Aussie Swiss. Sell short signal right here, guys, right here. Here's the price right down here, right? We need to break the low, get into that redistribution phase. Aussie New Zealand, sell short signal here. Here is support right here. We need to break through support, right? Sellers are coming back in, slowly bringing the price lower. That's exactly what we want. All right. Aussie dollar. Keep an eye on Aussie dollar. We've got white candles here. Here was our sell short signal right here. All right. And we're right there. We need sellers to come back down, test the lows, test support right here. All right. So keep an eye on Aussie dollar. If you guys get a green candle, if you're in it, you get a green candle, get out. All right. Just get out, close the trade. So on the daily time frame, do not wait for the day to close. If it start getting you that candle starts to turn green, just go ahead and get out. Don't wait for a close sell signal by the system. That's Aussie dollar. New Zealand Swiss, sell short signal here. Right, we had a pullback, white candle. Sellers are coming back in. Right, red candles coming back in. That's what we want, and we need it to move down through the markdown phase. All right. Aussie yen. We had talked about closing those yen positions in Forex Dominator, right? Because we saw a rotation, right, in Monster Scalper. All right. So We closed a few yesterday. We're gonna close this one also. So Aussie yen, we don't have a green candle yet. All right, don't have a green candle on the daily. Forex dominator. Sell short signal was here. Here's the price getting away from us here. We'll go ahead and get out of that. So we're going to close that in Forex dominator. So if you guys are trading short Aussie yen, right, go ahead and close that Aussie yen. All right, let's take a look at CAD yen. CAD yen, sell short signal is here. Green candle is coming in. We'll go ahead and close that. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get out of that trade. All right. Yen pairs are moving higher, so we need to close that, clean things up. So if anyone is in it, get out of it in Forex dominator. So CAD yen, let's close that. TRY JPY, all right. TRY JPY. Sell short signal is here, all right. And we've got red candles here. You guys can wait on this, right? But if you get a white candle, we'll wait on it, right? But if you get a white candle, just go ahead and get out of it. If you're in it, you can certainly get out on the red candles here. All right. Dollar, we talked about USD CZK. We shortened that. And USD HUF, very similar to USD CZK in Forex dominator short, right? Broke support today. All right, and gave a sell short signal right here, guys, right here. All right, hopefully get another short like this. Okay, so great trades, right? Most of the pairs we are holding. Okay, and we just need the yen pairs to move higher. All right, need the yen pairs to move higher. Right, euro pairs to move higher. Pound pairs to move higher, and we need the Aussie and the dollar pairs to move lower. All right. All right. Any questions on this? Any questions on this? All right. Very good. Very good. All right. Monster futures. The gold short, we are still holding the gold short. Not a lot of movement. All right. I'll check on that data because it doesn't look like we've had a lot of movement. So I'll check to see if the data is still holding. Okay. I'm in monster futures, but gold is still short, right? I'm sorry, not gold. Crude oil right here. Crude oil is still short. Okay. In the futures market. And here is the gold trade here. Gold trade holding, right? Not a lot of movement with gold. We could see where if the markets continue, the equity markets continue to move higher, gold might hold or even come down. All right. All right. So just keep an eye on that. Bitcoin is holding currently, right? Bitcoin is holding right at 28,000. So it's still holding at 28,000. Okay. We'll look for it to break through that 28,000 resistance though. Stock boss. So let's take a look at stocks, and stocks have been improving. We do not have any buy signals. We do not have any buy signals yet on the indexes, but you guys can start taking trades with either stock boss or bullmaster. Okay. So stock boss, let's take a look at the stocks that we're in. And we should have gotten a bid higher today. So EQX, look at that. Nice move higher, guys. Okay. EQX, nice move higher here. Okay. And that's a gold stock. KC, look at KC. Nice move higher. Hold on. Let's bring this up so you guys can see. All right. So EQX. All right. If anyone is in it, continue to hold, guys. Continue to hold. Right. Great trade here going. Okay. Great trade going here. Buy signal was here, and it's been moving up nicely. Okay. Broke resistance really well. KC KC right here. All right, buy signal is here. All right, moving up nicely. KC. Riot, let's see Riot. Riot is moving up also. Buy signal is here, testing resistance right here. All right, that's Riot. And SVM. Look at these stocks, guys. SVM, buy signal was here. It's moving up nicely. So we'll take a look at more opportunities to trade stocks this evening. We'll look at some more symbols, all right, to add. Bull Master, right? Bull Master. And let's do this here. So all the markets are moving right now. All right. Bull Master, AEHR, right? Buy signal is here. Pull back, moving up nicely, breaking through resistance now. Okay. ENVX, buy signal here, right? I think we got in somewhere in here. Okay. And big candles came in yesterday and today. All right. And then TC Intel, we added last night, right? Buy signal was here and really moved up, gapped up as a matter of fact. Okay. So really good price action. So we'll take a look at more opportunities in Bull Master this evening. We've got one short going, and that's in Monster Short. So let's take a look here. All right. AGRT. All right. We're going to close that, right? Right. Buying is coming in. Has a sell short. Green candle, right? Green candle came in. Was that yesterday or today? But green candles came in. So close that trade. If anyone is in that short, get out. All right. In Monster Short. So we will not look for any shorts anymore since the market is moving higher. So get out of that trade. All right. Monster ETF, our gold trading Monster ETF is moving up. It's holding, right? GLD, right? And then our interest rate trade, 7-10-year bonds right here. It's holding right here. Okay. In Monster ETF. All right. Our sniper trader trade. Guys, if we close PNN today, you could still hold it if you want, but hold it at you'll have to watch it. Okay, we closed it, but if you guys still want to trade it, all right, it did give a buy signal. You got a buy signal and you've got resistance here. All right, so if the markets continue to move higher, you could see that sniper trade, all right, break out. But just know that if you continue to hold it, right, these are options, so they can expire worthless. You do have time, right? You do have some time on it, so keep that in mind. And US 30, we know about the US 30. We talked about the US 30. Okay, holding nicely. All right. Any questions for me? Any questions? Okay. Let's look for opportunities, right? Let's look for opportunities in Monster Scalper. I'm going to go through this quickly. I don't think we've got a lot of opportunities. We're in just about everything we need to be in, right? Look at Aussie yen keeps moving higher. Aussie dollar, we look for longs, right? We're going to do this quickly, guys. Aussie dollar, nothing there. Keep an eye on Aussie dollar, guys. We could get a buy signal. Nothing there. Nothing there. All right, New Zealand dollar. Keep an eye on New Zealand dollar, right? Nothing there. Nothing there. ZAR yen. Look at that, right? We're in that one. All right. Dollar yen. Dean, you talked about dollar yen. We should get a buy signal soon on that. If we get it, we'll send out a message, all right, to our monster scalper traders. So, but keep an eye. Really good markdown phase, right? Really good markdown phase, and it's been trading well. All right. I'm always worried about dollar yen, but good markup phase. Nice trade here. Want to turn on the sell short to see how the short did. All right, so look at this. Good long trade. Look at that. Perfect trading. Good long, good short. So right now, dollar yen is trading really nice. So good long in a markup phase, good short markdown phase. So we just need a buy signal, right? Just a buy signal. All right. So keep an eye on dollar yen, guys, for a buy signal. Same thing, TRY, JPY. We're just waiting on a buy signal. We could get buy signal on these overnight. All right. TRY, JPY, very good night. Markdown phase. Right. Buyers are coming in. Right. Green candles are forming. Resistance is right here. So we could get a buy signal right around here. All right. All right. So make sure you guys are getting into these trades. SGD JPY buy signal is here. It's moving up nicely. All right. Same thing. New Zealand yen buy signal is here, moving up nicely. All right. Keep an eye. HKD JPY. All right. If we get a few more of these pairs, we will have a 100% rotation. All right. In the yen pairs where we have all buy signals, which would be cool. All right. Markdown phase, good markdown phase, right? We just need a buy signal, right? In HKD, JPY, really good price action. Pound yen, we know that's moving higher, right? Euro yen, Swiss yen, buy signal, moving higher. CAD yen, get on these moves, guys. And Aussie yen had a buy signal today. This is still good to get in. All right. So Aussie yen hasn't totally left, got in, right? That markup phase. So still early to get in. All right. Still good to get in. But if you wait, it's going to be gone. All right. All right. Let's see if we have any more opportunities long in the euro pairs. I don't believe we do. We're looking for new opportunities, new buy signals. Keep an eye on Euro Swiss. If it can break the resistance right here, we could get a buy signal on that. Euro Swiss. So no new opportunities there. Let's take a look at pound. All right. So no new opportunities in the pound pairs long. Let's take a look at the shorts. We know we can't do anything short here. So let's take a look at the dollar, right? Looking for short opportunities in the dollar, right? In Monster Scalper. So we're in that one already. Dollars are in here. On. All right, we're in that one already. We're in that one. So a lot of these have left already. We're looking for new opportunities, new shorts. All right. We're in that one already. So no new shorts there. Eurozar, I'll come back to that. Eurozar short. All right, we'll come back to that. Okay, we're in this short already. The euro short trade is tricky, guys. It's mixed. If you guys look here, right, some are up. What we would like is that we want to see the majority of the pairs either going down or going up, just like here, right? Majority going up to go long, or short the majority here, right? The euro pairs are mixed right here. So some are going up, some are going down, all right? That euro ZAR looks like a great short here, all right? But we have better trades. We have better trades, right, than that. So we'll hold off on this short, right? If we start to get more shorts in the euro pairs, which we really don't want because we are mainly long, okay, in monster scalper, okay, the euro pairs, okay, so we need those, and those have been running for a while, all right, those have been running for a while, so too early to totally go short on those, all right. Forex dominator long, all right, Forex dominator long. Let's see here quickly. We're looking for new opportunities. Keep an eye on dollar pound. All right. I'm sorry, pound dollar, right? We could get a buy signal shortly in Forex dominator. All right, long. We're in that one already. Nothing there. All right. We're in that one already. HKD. Keep an eye. Pound CAD. We're in pound CAD already. Pound Aussie. Nothing. So no longs. Let's take a look at shorts. In Forex dominator, guys. Forex dominator. I know it's tedious, but it's what we have to do, right? Every day. All right. Aussie dollar, right? We're in that one already. We're in that one. We're in that one. So no new shorts in the Aussie pairs. Aussie Swiss, we're in New Zealand Swiss short. Okay, we should be out of no, I'm sorry. No, we're in New Zealand Swiss. We're not in dollars, in New Zealand dollar and New Zealand CAD, okay? But New Zealand Swiss right here, we're in that trade. Sell short signal right here, right? Moving down nicely, all right? We should not be in any of the yen pairs, right? Any of the yen pairs short, okay? Any of the yen pairs short in Forex dominator. Let's see. That's perhaps the best opportunity is in the as far as shorts in Forex dominator. Okay, so here is dollar ZAR. Keep an eye on dollar ZAR, guys. All right, just broke support, red candle. We should get a sell short signal shortly. All right. All right, so big sell short signal right here. Sellers are coming in. All right, price broke support right here. All right, so we just need a sell short signal. That's dollar ZAR. And you guys know dollar is moving lower. Nothing there. Wait for a sell short signal. This could be the next good trade. I don't want to say big trade, but good trade setting up in Forex dominator, these shorts, all right, dollar shorts. USD SGD, we're just waiting for a sell short signal right here. Okay, right here. We need to break support and we'll get that signal. All right. USD CZK, we got a bit of consolidation. We just need to break through support. All right. Keep an eye on it. USD PLN, right? Just waiting for a sell short signal there. You guys see what's setting up. All right. No sellers yet, but keep an eye. A lot of these are setting up. USD Mexican peso MXN, just waiting for a sell short signal. All right. USD HKD, USD HUF. All right, we're in that one already. USD HUF. If you guys are trading Forex Dominator, all right, that's a good opportunity right there. All right, nothing there. USD DKK, just waiting for a sell short signal, right? On a break of this support. That should come in soon if we break. Nothing there yet. Same thing. USD CHF, a lot of these guys, the dollar pairs are setting up to go short, right? In Forex Dominator. And then dollar CAD. Dollar CAD broke support right here. Look here, red candles coming in, sellers are coming in, break of support. We should get a red, right? Sell short signal soon to go short. Okay, so keep an eye on, right, the dollar pairs in Forex Dominator. Okay, so Dean, I know you trade Forex Dominator a lot, so keep an eye on the dollar pairs. Okay, the dollar pairs short. All right, let's take a quick look at stocks in Stock Boss. Okay. And we'll look at all of the sectors, and we're just looking for buy signals, close buy signals, brand new opportunity. All right. Ooh, look at that. Okay, we're in that one. EQX, we're in that already. That's gold trade there. SMV, we're in that one already. Keep an eye on, it doesn't have a buy signal yet in Stock Boss or Stock Boss traders. Keep an eye on NGD, okay? Good markdown phase, guys, look here. All right, good markdown phase, breaking resistance, getting through that consolidation. We'll get a high buy signal up in this area here. All right, but it's $1.15 per share, so it's an inexpensive stock. But wait for that buy signal. All right, wait for that buy signal first from the system.
Dave, I had a question.
Hey, Dean.
So some of these items that you mentioned, you indicated, hey, these are good for calls. Can you give some tips on what should we look for when looking? I mean, because there's months and all these different levels and layers. So what is the best way to determine whether to make a call this month, next month, or a put, depending on the trend on the Stock Boss?
Okay, well, I wouldn't trade any options in Stock Boss. Okay, I mean, you can, right? Really,
I'm sorry, I mean Bullmaster, not Stock Boss. Bullmaster.
Okay. So Bullmaster is where you would want to, if you wanted to trade calls, not puts. Puts you would have to do with Monster Short. Okay. I would say, Dean, it's based on your time element. Okay, how long you want to trade, how long you want to stay in the trade. All right. On Stock Boss, Bullmaster, we trade on a daily time frame. Okay, So just know you're going to stay in that trade much longer. So you might want to take that option out 3 months. I certainly wouldn't do a week, couple of weeks. All right. You want to give it time to develop. Okay. So if you're trading, if I would say on a daily time frame, like unlike sniper, we do a 60-minute time frame. We do a weekend trade, right? So we might push it out a month or so. With these, I would go longer. You can go longer. You could go. That doesn't mean you're going to keep it for 3 months, 4 months, or 6 months,
Yeah.
but you want to give it time to develop.
Okay, thanks for
Okay.
that, because that was my next question. What was the difference between the sniper trades and the making a option on bull master?
That's going to be the time element.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, that's gonna be so the longer the time frame, right? And snipers a little different. We know snipers is a little different, right? We just catching that move, that weekend move, right? Getting on Friday, get out on Mondays. Okay. With your bull master in particular, can you do options on stock boss? Yes, but these are you know you don't have to do options with stock boss because the price is already inexpensive, right? I mean, if you can get the reason why we trade options is because we don't want to buy the high price stock, right? Right. So if we go here, right, in bull master, and here we wanted to here take a trade in here, right? What's that? LU, that's $358 a share, right? We could trade the option, right? So we can control the stock, trade the option rather than paying that amount, right? Per share. With Stock Boss, it's all under $10.
Yeah, yeah,
So NGD, it's $1.15. We don't need to trade the option when we can just trade the underlying and not have the risk of that option, right? Decaying on us. Okay, that makes sense.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. So
So, like on bull master, is it similar to if you're gonna do options or puts? Do you have to wait for the buy signal, or is that too late?
yeah,
Should
if you're
with the
going,
anticipation of the trend, should we just go with the trend if it's trending up? Should we
yeah,
assume that it's going to continue trending and make our call that way, or do we still wait on the the sell or buy signal?
yeah. So I would, yeah, definitely wait for the buy signal. Okay. So yeah. So if you're trading it in bull master, for example, always wait for the buy signal. All right. Now you mentioned puts. You won't do any puts here because with bull master, we're just looking stock boss, bull master, long. We're just looking for longs,
Yeah,
calls,
yeah, of
longs.
course, yeah.
Yeah. But to your question, okay, um, wait, wait for your entry with the buy signal. Okay, always wait for your entry, right, on the on the buy signal. Okay, from the system. Okay, exiting, closing the trades. Now you can do a red candle, right? When sellers come in, you can even do a white candle, okay, at times, and then definitely a sell, an exit signal by the system. But we want to wait for the buy signals to get in. If even if you're doing calls, okay.
Thanks, David.
All right, make sense.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Very good. Okay. So let's go through. Did we look at all of stock boss? I think we did. Just make sure we're not missing anything. Okay. Yeah, we have one here. Okay, look at this. So this is in stock boss. It's $1.34. Really good markdown phase. These fell from $13, right? We'll let someone else, guys, take this loss here, right? We'll let someone else take that loss. It's breaking resistance right here. Pretty good resistance here. We have a buy signal right here. And so then this is at $1.30, $1.34. It's an inexpensive stock. We don't need to trade the options on this, right? That's just added risk. Okay, so we could trade the underlying, trade the stock, and that is so HEPS. All right, HEPS in Stock Boss. All right, and it's breaking through resistance. It's getting past this consolidation in here. If you guys look here, and I'm almost done. All right, I'm almost done. All right, so if you guys look here, that's your resistance there. Here is your support right here. And look here, see? Support, resistance, support, resistance. All right, and now it's breaking resistance right here. So it's breaking out of resistance right here, okay? And you've got the really good upside, right? So $1.34. If the markets hold, if it moves, right? Even if you get to $4, all right, that's 400%. All right, so good. This is a good trade here. All right. Your protection would be, right? Your protection would be, boy, I would say, right, if it gets up a little higher in that markup phase, right, you could perhaps have stop loss here, worst case down here. Okay. All right. So we'll add HEPS in Stock Boss. HEPS. Nothing here. All right. KC, we're in that one already. All right. Bullmaster. And we'll be done after this. Ooh, look at that. All right, we're in Intel already. All right, keep an eye on APP. We don't have a buy signal yet. All right, if it comes up next week, really good markup phase. So those of you who have Stock Boss, I would definitely put this on your radar. I'm sorry, in Bullmaster. Those of you who have Bullmaster, keep this on your radar. Okay, it's breaking through. Right, breaking through. We need a buy signal, right? It fell from 110 to 15. It's at $15 now. Really good markup phase. Okay, so keep an eye on that. And if it shows up, we'll continue to watch it in Hit Seeker. Okay. All right, guys. We have lots of opportunities in Forex, right? We're starting to get more opportunities in equities. Okay. We didn't take a look at futures this evening. Let's see here. Feeder cattle is making a move. Feeder cattle, live cattle is making another move, guys. All right. It's making another move. All right. So let's see if we can find a quick. So they're making another move. All right, so we'll add this one right here, live cattle in Monster Futures. All right, live cattle buy signal. I'm glad we took a look. We're taking a look at this. All right, nice buy signal came in, live cattle. All right, and that is at LM. All right, so live cattle here. All right. And we could get a move in The S&P, nothing yet though, but live cattle. So we've added live cattle along. All right. All right, guys. I will see you guys on Sunday. All right. On Sunday, if you need me for anything, you guys know how to reach me. All right. Otherwise, have a good weekend. See you guys on Sunday. Get into those yen pairs. If you guys are not in those yen pairs, get into that trade. All right. Worst case scenario, guys, it fails. All right. And we can always get out. All right. But get into those trades. All right.
Thanks,
Take care.
Dave.
Bye bye.